welcome back and thank you for coming back. Today we are at the harbour, not one, not two, but 3 Gs. You've heard of the BGs? Well, tonight, exclusively, one and only time, you've got the 3 Gs. Over to you, LaBeouf.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again. How nice today, we again with the two Pains, Mr. and Mr. Payne.
Yeah, and they are a couple of pains, they really, really are. That's one of them. That's Oching Receivia LaBeouf, and that's the other one. We ain't got a clue which one's which. All we know is they've got beautiful, beautiful blue hats. That is my hat. That's the original hat, and he's got the imposter hat.
He made us wear them. Now come on, we've got places to go and places to see. So let's wiggle waggle down to the harbour, and let's follow
the rear end. The rear end
in the world.
Oching
Receivia LaBeouf.
Off you go, LaBeouf.
Jeremy?
Correct. Correct. Yes.
I
understood which one is which. They're both trouble.
Let's
Yes.
wiggle and waggle, piddle and paddle.
Yes. Remember, we're Family Channel. Just be careful.
Let's go down to
We
see
don't
the
want to upset.
spectacality.
We don't want to upset. Oh, so sweet Caroline.
Because it's probably the most beautiful harbour in the world. Now we understand we've got some competition, but really you want to get on a big bird or a small canoe and paddle your way to Kato Paphos.
Hold on a minute. Where did small canoe come into it?
Well, get on a large one now.
Right.
Get on a
a canoe.
One. Get a
They're
medium
getting the
sized
words
one.
wrong. There we are. Anyway, if you're wondering what's going on, we're in the downtown Kato Paphos Harbour. Oching Receivia LaBeouf, the most beautiful woman, is obviously here. And on top of all of that, we have Double Trouble. So tonight's video is going to be entitled Double Trouble in the Harbour.
The 3 Gs.
The 3 Gs.
3 Gs.
Okay.
3G,
there we
yeah.
are. Great name for a YouTube channel. What about LaBeouf?
I'm the 4th G.
You're the 4th G. Well, actually, your surname is
Galician,
Galician.
which is means start
There we are.
with G.
There we are. And I must say, you're looking beautiful tonight.
Thank you.
Truly, truly
Mr.
radiant
Paul.
in your new jacket, new top,
Thank you.
not quite so new shoes,
But they are
but they
my
do look very
favorite.
nice, sparkly,
My
aren't they?
favorite because they are
Very sparkly.
shiny.
Yes. So,
Yes.
Double
Mr.
Trouble.
G, yes.
Hold on. It's very difficult to try and keep 2 people on camera. Very, very difficult at the same time. Anyway, have you enjoyed your holiday?
Yeah, we've had a great time.
Yeah.
We've piddled and we paddled, we've wiggled and waggled our way around. And we've wiggled and we've wobbled. Yes. We've been here for about a month now. I think it's time. Every day.
And you've had enough.
Every day has been sunny. We just do not. We think it's time to go home. Back to the freezer. It is time to now return.
It's cold. It is cold.
It's
We
gonna
are
have
close
time
to
to
the
return.
hairiest man in the world.
Oh,
Yeah.
hold on,
yeah,
hold on,
it's
hold on, hold on.
Yanis.
Here he is. That's the one and only Mr. Yanis. Hairiest man in the whole of Paphos district, possibly in the world, and definitely the sexiest. How you doing, Mr. Yanis? You alright? Good? Yeah, good?
Good when I have girls and money in my pocket.
So you got plenty of money and plenty of girls, so that's why he's so
Only
only in the summertime. Only in the summer. What does Mr. Yanis do?
It's true what Wikipedia say about this man. Not only is he the hairiest man in the world, but also he is the sexiest man in the harbour. It's simple.
The one and only Mr. Yanis. Thanks, Mr. Yanis. We wish you a good evening. And on the way back, I might let you buy me a drink. You never know.
I tell you.
I know you do.
Many times
I know.
I tell you.
I know. But tonight could be your lucky night. You never know. Thanks, Mr. Yanis. We're going to keep going into the Kato Paphos Harbour. Oching Receivia LaBeouf is being left out. There she is. She's on the wrong side, LaBeouf. You're on the wrong side.
We're all on the wrong side.
Yeah, you're on the wrong side. There we are.
They say if you stand in between two twins, no, in between.
In between.
in
There we are. In between
boys,
two boys.
or
Yeah.
two girls, the same. Identical twins, and make a wish. This wish will come true.
Make that wish, Receivia LaBeouf.
Hurry.
I did.
Excellent. Now, they're not identical because the hats are not quite identical.
It's on
But
the
that is the
side.
current Mr. Paul
That's
hat.
a real G, that.
It is. There we are. And that is the stand-in when that one gets a bit hot and sticky. And that one is the original. That's the original. If you go hunting back into our early videos, that's the original hat. One day, you never know, it may be worth as much as €1. It's possible.
I'm going to steal this one.
That one's worth about 20 euros. That's
Yeah,
what I paid for
I'm
it.
going to keep it, yeah.
Yeah, and that one over there is about, well, $9.99.
coming
There you
home.
go.
Now the boys are leaving tomorrow. Should we talk a
Unfortunately.
little bit about they are leaving?
Go on then.
To be honest, I was so pleased to see this couple, this double happiness, not trouble. I am feeling a little bit of sad. That's because we had always, every time we met these boys, we had always a luxury time, joking, making fun of each other, going around, eating and drinking. And I would like to say that I will happily meet them again and again. Thank
I've
you
just
very much
understood
for your,
that two of our friends are over there. There they are. How are you doing? I've understood. How are you doing? You all right?
Very
Good?
well, yes.
Good?
We were just wondering about when we were going to see you
How are you
again.
doing? Good? Have you been to the Jalamo?
Yes.
Yeah?
We've just come
Oh, you
back.
finished? You finished? You finished? This is a friend of yours as well?
Our daughter.
Ah, hello. What's your name?
Emily.
Emily. Good to meet you, Emily. Good to meet
how
you.
are you, my dear?
I'm very
So did she come to visit you for Christmas?
Yes.
She has.
Yes.
Yes.
4 weeks.
I've arrived.
You've arrived in style. What's the weather like?
Beautiful here.
Yeah.
Cold and snowy at home.
Where you living in the UK? Where do you live?
Northampton.
That's a bit snowy, isn't it?
Mr.
A bit
Nigel.
snowy. Yes, Mr. Nigel Big Guns. It could be your neighbour. It could be your neighbour. You never know. You have a great holiday. I'm sure he will look after you, and I'm sure she'll look after you as well. And it's a shame we missed you. Come down the harbour on Saturday in the afternoon, and we'll have a drink together.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's not that many of us left now.
No, I know.
Yeah, she's unusual that she's come here because most people are going
Yes,
back,
they're away,
aren't they?
yes.
Like these two boys here. Lovely, great to have seen you again. Great. Thanks very much. Thanks. So, Double Trouble. These are two people that live in Cyprus, and yeah, we met them first time in the Duck Pond Market, and then we met them. They accosted us in Majalmo, and they're now very good friends of ours. Great people live all the way out. Well, not that far, but in Clorica, and that's their daughter Emily, who's come over for Christmas to see them. And even though she was wrapped up, she understood that back in Northamptonshire, is that correct? How you say it? It's probably -3, -4, but I'm sure Nigel Big Guns and oh so sweet Caroline will drop it in the comments and give us the exact temperature. 7 o'clock at night, what temperature is it? What do we reckon it is? -3, -4?
-3. I'd
Somewhere
say.
around there.
Yeah.
-3,
-5.
-5. Graceva LeBouf, what do you think it might be?
Where?
The temperature in Northamptonshire. What minus?
-6.
-6. Oh, so sweet. Drop it in the comments, let us know. 7 o'clock at night tonight. And tonight is, if you want to know, Wednesday night. What?
Mr. Paul, let's return to the task. The
Yes,
boys
yes.
are planning to come back.
Yes.
When?
When you're coming back?
Mid-November next week. Yeah,
Next week?
Week?
Next
I'm
year?
losing my English.
And the years soon go, by the way.
Yeah,
They just do.
next November, same sort of time, mid-November. And we hope that the Carters will be out as well for a bit of winter sun. Come out again so they can join
Yeah, well, I
us.
think they're going to do it twice from now on because he's got enough money. So he can come out twice, not a problem. They're coming out in April.
Yes.
And they're bringing
Little early.
little Ellie's coming, and Mum and Dad's coming as well,
Yeah.
and there's a little as well. I don't think they're bringing the dog. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. I don't know. He might come. What do you say, Graceva?
Why not?
There could be a dog coming out.
Dog.
Maybe.
Little doggy.
Oh, really?
This Ellie's got a dog.
Really?
Yes.
I'll be doggy sitter.
You'll be doggy sitter. There we go. Where are we? Theo's restaurant in the harbour. Bit of a quiet night. It's that time of year, if you understand me. Next one on the block, the Pelican. Doesn't look very busy tonight. And the next one after that, our favourite place, the Jalamo, and that's where we're going to pop in and have a quick drink and have a chat with our Gumbarus. And there's Gumbaru number 1. There he is, in charge as usual. The one and only Emmanuel. There he is. How you doing? Good?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, not too bad.
How's the youth?
And that's Anita. Not
How's
doing too
everyone,
bad.
yeah?
Your contract is coming soon.
I
We
hope
promise you that. We promise you that.
You all right?
There's Anita. And there's the one and only man, Mr. Andres. How you doing, Andres? Good? Good?
Flash today.
Yes. Bit of light. So we're going to have a little seat and we're going to have a drink. Where are we? That's where we are. The Jalamo, the greatest cafeteria, bistro restaurant in downtown Kato, Paphos. Next door to that is Sail at the Castle. That's their rear of house. That's where the sports bar area is, or of course when it's a bit colder, that's where you might want to go. There's their branding up there. Sail at the Castle. That's where we came to make our super duper cocktail for the one and only Nigel Big Guns. The priest, I can see him, is in the background. And the last one on the block is Stevie's. There's Dexter, the man in charge there with the beard. And there's the Gamma Jubber doing a bit of service, as we can see. And if we keep going out into the abyss, that is the downtown Kato Paphos Harbour. The glowing lights in the distance are the castle and fort. But as you can see, it's that little bit too dark up that way. So we're going to go into there, have a chat with the Pain Boys, and have a little drink. That is a rather quiet looking harbour area. And there he is. We've got what? Hold on. We've got donuts. Let's have a look. Whoa. Can we have one?
Of course you can.
There we are. Look at that. Fresh walnuts.
But the fresh, they need to dry.
Yes, dry it out
Because if
first.
you don't dry it, maybe it will be a
They're
little bit
soggy, aren't they?
maybe a little bit bitter.
Yeah, I'll dry them out. I'll have them tomorrow.
Yeah,
Thank you
dry,
very much.
dry them in, just leave them in outside.
Yeah.
Or maybe in a little bit in the sun.
Yeah.
When they dry.
In the sun in the morning. It'll heat up. Lovely. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. That's one of the stars at the Sail at the Castle. They're all great good friends of ours, and we're going to come there probably once a week now and make that special cocktail and give it a special name. Anyway, time for a big goodbye.
Well, I'd like to say goodbye to everybody. You know, enjoy your evening or wherever, your morning if you're watching it then. And yeah, so we're heading back tomorrow. Long flight back, but yeah, we've had a great time. And you know, keep watching, guys. Keep subscribing and enjoy.
Enjoy.
Just get yourself on a big bird or a small canoe or a large canoe.
Where's the
and
small
just
come
come
from?
out and enjoy some of this weather.
I'll tell the test, don't worry.
Freezing back at home, we all know that. We're going to join the party tomorrow, and yeah, looking forward to next year already, Mr. Paul.
Excellent, excellent.
So,
Receive a booth.
Well, I would like to tell you all many thanks for watching, and I would like to tell you honestly that I personally had a nice time with these boys, and the company of yours was amazing. I will only wish the boys the lovely flight and the very happy landing down, and I wish I will see them again and again very soon. So if you've never been to Cyprus, get yourself on a big bird or a canoe and start paddling like crazy, because we all simply waiting just for you. Many kisses from the bottom of our foreheads, and many kisses with all our love. Thank you.
Ever seen those special walnuts for watching Receive booth off the boss in Sail at the Castle? There we are. So, the two and only Simon and Jeremy Payne. We had a great time with them. Unfortunately, that time is going to come to an end, but 1 year will be gone like that, and they'll be back again. And you heard it, don't forget Nigel, oh so sweet, you've got to come out, and hopefully some more people will join the party, because it appears that the only family members we've got are these two, Nigel and oh so sweet Caroline. Of course, we've got Dame Anne and a few others, that's for sure. Let's have a cuddle and a big goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness.